This is how to get the delta key in Roblox. So first, click the delta on the top. Click receive key. You'll be teleported to your browser. Then wait few seconds. You'll be teleported to the Platypus site. Wait few seconds. Click continue. Block. Don't mind some ads. Click continue again. Don't mind that. That is ads, bro. So we're going to get. We're going to finish the challenge before you will claim the reward. So we done the challenge. So we're going to click the unlock. Then going to create the key. Just click the create. Don't mind that. That's just ads. It will click and copy the key. Then go back to Roblox. Join. I will show you. It's not fake. So join any games you want. Oh, my phone. After you join in the game, there will be the delta says loading. So wait few seconds so the delta can load. Then after, because you copy the key, you can place it into the key system and enjoy your delta key.